Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis, has been celebrated for centuries as a versatile and powerful natural remedy. Known for its thick, viscous texture and pale yellow appearance, this oil is packed with nutrients that make it a sought-after ingredient in skincare, hair care, and even medicinal applications. The primary components of castor oil include ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that accounts for its many therapeutic properties, along with vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and essential proteins. Originating from tropical regions in Africa and India, castor oil has been used in traditional medicine and beauty rituals for generations. Its ability to nourish, moisturize, and heal has made it a staple in natural remedies. But what truly sets castor oil apart is its unparalleled versatility. It is not only affordable but also widely accessible, making it a go-to solution for people seeking natural alternatives to chemical-based products. One of the most prominent benefits of castor oil is its ability to provide deep hydration and moisture to the skin. Rich in fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, it penetrates deeply into the skin layers, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals with dry or flaky skin. By maintaining the skin's natural hydration barrier, castor oil ensures your skin remains soft, smooth, and supple. Applying a few drops of castor oil to your face or body, especially in dry or cold weather, can help combat dehydration and keep your skin glowing. In addition to its hydrating properties, castor oil possesses powerful anti-inflammatory qualities. It is particularly beneficial for soothing irritated or inflamed skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, or dermatitis. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps reduce redness, swelling, and itchiness, providing relief to those suffering from these uncomfortable skin issues. Whether applied directly to the affected area or mixed with a carrier oil, castor oil can help calm inflammation and promote a more even complexion. Another incredible advantage of castor oil is its anti-aging effects. As we age, our skin loses elasticity and firmness, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. Castor oil works as a natural anti-aging agent by stimulating collagen production and improving skin elasticity. Its high concentration of antioxidants helps neutralize free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Regular application of castor oil can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, leaving the skin looking youthful and refreshed. Massaging a small amount of castor oil onto your face before bedtime can help nourish your skin while you sleep. Castor oil also boasts impressive antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an effective solution for preventing acne and other skin infections. It helps cleanse the pores by removing dirt, excess oil, and bacteria that can trigger breakouts. Additionally, its antifungal properties make it useful for addressing conditions like fungal acne or ringworm. By applying castor oil to problem areas or as part of your skincare routine, you can maintain clearer, healthier skin. How to use castor oil for skin health. 1. Daily moisturizing with castor oil. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential for maintaining its elasticity, smoothness, and overall health. Castor oil is an excellent natural moisturizer that penetrates deeply into the skin, locking in moisture without clogging pores. To use it as a daily moisturizer, start with a clean face. Take a few drops of castor oil and gently warm it between your fingers. Apply it evenly across your face and neck, focusing on dry or flaky areas. For those with sensitive or oily skin, consider mixing castor oil with lighter oils like jojoba or almond oil to balance its thickness. Regular use can help soften rough patches, reduce redness, and leave your skin glowing with hydration. 2. Nourishing face masks with castor oil. Face masks are a fantastic way to give your skin an extra boost of nutrients, and castor oil is the perfect base ingredient for a variety of DIY recipes. One popular combination is castor oil with honey and turmeric. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric powder to create a soothing mask that combats inflammation and brightens the complexion. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. For acne-prone skin, try blending castor oil with aloe vera gel and a few drops of tea tree oil. This combination helps to calm redness, fight bacteria, and promote healing. Incorporating these masks into your routine once or twice a week can significantly improve your skin's texture and appearance. 3. Facial massage with castor oil. Massaging your face with castor oil not only enhances relaxation but also stimulates blood circulation and promotes lymphatic drainage, which can reduce puffiness and improve skin tone. To begin, cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your palms and gently massage it onto your face using upward and outward circular motions. Pay special attention to areas prone to tension, such as the jawline and temples. This process can help to relieve stress, encourage collagen production, and leave your skin feeling supple and rejuvenated. For an added benefit, use a jade roller or gua sha tool during the massage to enhance its effects. When it comes to using castor oil, there are several important considerations to ensure its safe and effective application. Castor oil is widely known for its numerous benefits, but like any product, it requires proper understanding and care to maximize its potential. Before incorporating castor oil into your routine, it is crucial to check for any allergic reactions. Even though castor oil is natural, some individuals may experience sensitivities or allergies. To perform an allergy test, apply a small amount of castor oil to a patch of skin, such as the inner forearm or behind the ear. Wait for 24 hours and observe for any signs of redness, itching, swelling, or irritation. If no reaction occurs, it is generally safe to use. However, if you notice any adverse effects, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Using the right amount of castor oil is essential to achieve the desired results without overdoing it. Overuse may lead to greasy skin or hair, while underuse might not provide the benefits you aim for. For skincare, a few drops of castor oil are typically sufficient to moisturize the face or treat specific areas. When using it for hair care, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil to make application easier and prevent buildup. For internal use, such as for constipation relief, always follow the recommended dosage provided by your healthcare provider or the product label, as excessive intake can lead to unwanted side effects. When combining castor oil with other products, it is essential to be mindful of potential interactions. Castor oil works well with natural oils like coconut oil, argan oil, or jojoba oil for enhancing hair and skin benefits. However, avoid mixing it with harsh chemical-based products, as this may reduce its effectiveness or cause irritation. For those using medicated creams or treatments, consult a dermatologist before introducing castor oil into your routine to ensure compatibility. Additionally, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, seek medical advice before using castor oil internally or externally. By following these guidelines, conducting an allergy test, using the appropriate amount, and being cautious with product combinations, you can safely enjoy the numerous benefits of castor oil for your skin, hair, and overall health. Always prioritize quality by choosing cold-pressed and organic castor oil for the best results. Castor oil has long been celebrated for its remarkable benefits for skin health, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. Packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, this natural oil offers a wide range of advantages that cater to various skin needs. In addition to these benefits, castor oil is a natural emollient that enhances skin elasticity, making it a popular choice for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidant content fights free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging, ensuring your skin remains youthful and radiant. Moreover, castor oil's gentle nature makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, as it rarely causes irritation. Incorporating castor oil into your daily skincare routine is both easy and rewarding. You can use it as a standalone moisturizer, mix it with your favorite creams or serums, or even apply it as a natural makeup remover. For best results, ensure you use cold-pressed, organic castor oil to maximize its potency and benefits. By making castor oil a staple in your skincare regimen, you can enjoy healthier, more vibrant skin while embracing the power of nature.